What time is it?
It's Morphin time. Ready to escape.
Recruit a group of teenagers with attitude.
Like who?
Like,
what? Where?
Maybe Jason and Zack and Trini and
The fuck are they?
a couple teenagers with attitude, maybe.
Maybe. Just maybe. But can we get a Green Ranger at some point?
Maybe in a few. Give it a season.
What about a Purple Ranger?
We didn't have like a Purple Ranger until the Wolf Ranger of Jungle Fury.
Yeah.
I think that was the first one. Well, okay. So as of the American versions, possibly.
Yeah.
The Japanese versions, there might have been a Purple Ranger.
Welcome to the Juice Ball, ladies and gentlemen.
So whether or not we got the intro to work, you may or may not have seen that we purchased the
Lightning.
I purchased the Ranger helmets, the Lightning Collection of the White Ranger and the Red Ranger. I heard there was a black one,
Yep.
so I'm gonna look into maybe getting that.
Green Ranger is expensive at the moment.
Green Ranger is not from the Lightning Collection; it's from the Bandai Legacy Collection, and it's $300.
That's why.
Should Hasbro put out the Green Ranger helmet? Absolutely. Billy, what are you doing?
Being a gay nerd.
Rastafarian Zack. He didn't choose that outfit. Saban chose that for him.
Right.
Did you see that? Did you? I don't know. He's the one who's got cleave in his face. And between you and me, I heard that Billy might not be.
Really?
Yeah.
What if he's for the trans, though?
I don't know how his opinions on that are.
Display, though.
That one looks wearable, but that's a legacy one, so
It's the Lightning,
I don't know if it's.
the Lightning Collection one, right?
I'm concerned of why it has more options of colors.
Yeah. Is it Legacy Collection or
Yeah,
Lightning?
lightning.
Okay, then I was wrong.
Nope. We got a problem.
We got multiple rounds? $400.
That's not right. Can you pause? If you pause the recording and then pause the video for a second.
I like your best friend, Billy. I want to. No. But. Yeah, clap them cheeks.
Hold on. Versus them cheeks.
Right.
The main event.
No, he wants to do this, Vince.
And I clap and I clap and I clap and I clap.
The clap and the clap and the clap.
Your ass is about to do a standing ovation.
Blood clamps. I can. Eats pies and smells like.
Eats cars and smells like a fish.
Can't wait till they do the pumpkin wrap. I'm gonna do something cool with that one.
The pumpkin wrap?
Pumpkin wrapper. It's a pumpkin villain whose head is an upside down pumpkin, but he raps and that's his power. Basically, he disses the Power Rangers. I'm sorry, no hard feelings, you Asian bitch.
Well, I don't think she's Asian.
Chinese,
Oh,
Japanese,
no.
dirty knees. Look at these.
Oh no.
2 idiots who just walked in.
Oh no.
Why didn't Zack sit with the black guy?
Where'd Trini go? Also, you noticed that she was arm wrestling Jason,
Yeah,
and we just didn't follow up on that?
right.
Come on, can you spin and clap? There he is, all of a sudden!
A giant booty.
No, just Jason out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Zach. Show him how you became Eddie Gordo in Tekken.
And now she's like sidled up to him. Trini wants all of it. Every last bit of it.
Just wait till Tommy gets in the fray.
I mean, hey, that's better than I can do. I'm not gonna lie.
Mm-hmm. I've done that. I've done that once. Because a friend dared me to
He
do
slapped
yoga.
a hand so damn hard.
It'd be better if he was wearing Power Ranger underwear.
I don't think he's fully aware of the Rangers yet.
You know how they're like the only two who know they exist, and nobody believes them. Backflip. Okay, I want to do that. I could probably do it. I could probably do the dismount. I used to practice that a lot in gym class. People thought I was weird. They're like, "Why do you keep practicing a dismount?" I go, "Because." First of all, I don't think that would happen even to a fat guy.
I don't know, but he did it. Hot dog.
That's why he slipped on the hot dog. You know, it's the old marble
And
trope.
somehow landed in another cake.
The hell's in his mouth? A trash bag?
Condom.
That's what I was thinking too. Is it Trini's or is it Zack's?
It's not big enough. It needs at least another 2 or 3 feet deep.
Oh, so that's a good burn for the 90s. Like Yo Mama jokes. I'm fucking eating the hot dogs. So, is that technically her hair?
That?
Yeah.
That's the costume hair.
I want to say back in the 90s,
You
get rid
thought
of
it
all
was a hat?
Yeah. Get
So
rid
did
of
I.
all that. Apparently, she was really hot.
Oh yeah.
I can't recall because I don't remember. I remember seeing her back then.
So she had 2 different actresses.
Yeah.
But yeah. That's why, like, when I see that Rita Repulsa compared to the new one, and I'm like, I'm not seeing it compared to the normal one.
No. The new one.
I mean,
was-
yeah, she's hot, but like,
the
by
new-
comparison,
Yeah.
that woman was wearing a pool floor.
Yeah. The new one for the 2017 one. The new one was more modern day, in my opinion. And a lot of people were like, "What do you mean modern day?" I go, "They want to make it appeal to people." All right, it's where they capture him and the deaf girl.
This is why the
Oh.
deaf person is in the episode.
Oh, okay. So for the thumbnail, I need to put Helen Keller.
She's only deaf.
And Frank.
I said deaf, not dead.
Aren't they both there?
Yes, but you brought me 4 little girls.
I'm gonna turn
What
them.
the hell am I gonna do with these?
I don't want these things. I like how a net is what's stopping a deaf girl. It's the
Let's be
90s.
brutally honest. if that net was attached to the ground, they would stop you too.
Fair. But then
I
would
need
find a
someone
knife or a
who
giant
understands
stick.
the problem. Red Ranger.
What is it, Lassie? Tell me, boy. What's wrong?
We need her. The Pink Ranger. She.
Why didn't you do that in the first
What?
place?
Yeah, seriously. Took you.
I'll be honest.
Is that?
It's hard to do it. It is the sex dungeon. Those putty patrollers just had their first sex ever. The sex dungeon. I mean, let's be honest. That's what it is.
With underage girls.
Yep.
Oh, suddenly he's the chef.
Squat and Babu are the cooks.
Why are they catering the monster?
Because they're the bitches.
Did he change his voice?
Kind of. Some of the voices go back and forth.
Get in there, putties. It'll be nutties by the time they're done.
Damn, I don't think it picked it up.
Has he got fried rice?
He's soon to have putty fried rice.
Bouncy balls! Yeah, he has a different voice.
Yeah. This is the voice of Squat I remember.
A gummy worm.
Right. There's a centipede. With 1,000 fucking legs.
He didn't even...
Didn't even need anything.
He ate one worm and they're all asleep because of it. The hell is this AFK I'm looking at right now? I wonder how many times she's accidentally clocked herself on that
I'm
thing.
thinking the same thing.
And he's gone.
I always thought too that her base was just a giant watchtower, which is where Batman got the idea. What if that's how Batman got the idea for the watchtower?
The space duck.
Yeah. Whack. Wait, was Krillin the space duck? That way Deborah never killed him.
We weren't able to get to that part.
Like if
I about sailed.
we didn't have to edit, if it would let us, they had their weapons.
Yeah, they got that in the last episode.
No, they morphed and had their weapons handy.
That's going to be most of the time, I think, anymore.
Gotcha.
If they don't automatically go to gun. What? Let's do the same thing twice.
Yep. The mace? That was more of a post-it. What? You know, wouldn't it make more sense to shoot the sword at him?
I'd like to fucking point out, this guy didn't even get a move in,
Yeah, I know.
and they just fucking, they
just said, fuck you, asshole.
They literally, round one, fight ultimate.
Yeah.
And then ultimate.
Like some episodes, it's like, oh, you're the bad guy, you're doing fucked up shit, we're gonna destroy you instantly. Other times it's like, oh, the bad guy is gonna destroy you. Oh, so the
I have
river.
a feeling that the kids that were taken are going to have something to do with why we just immediately decimated this dude.
Last week on the river, they were talking about movie tropes, where how it was like like Taz mentioned, when they have a big, they'll create like a giant fucking 8-course breakfast meal across the whole table, And they just grab a piece of toast and they're out the door. Another movie trope, I didn't call in because I was already home. Another movie trope, the good guy always gets his ass whooped, but then has a comeback fight and just destroys them. Power crystals! You see that? The Pink Ranger was white. Yeah, the Pink Ranger was like white and grayish. But the Silver Ranger.
All right, I banished X head cannon, Y dragon head, and Z metal tank.
Wasn't that how you fuse them without polymerization? Contact fusion?
You can't
You
fuse
can't in
with
the show?
polymerization. You had to contact fuse.
I couldn't remember what it was called.
Yeah, it was contact fusion.
Okay.
You did have that right, but there was no polymers. You can't do it with polymerization.
And yes, we're talking about Yu-Gi-Oh! While watching Power Rangers. We're losers. Leave us alone.
We enjoy a lot of things.
And it's
A lot of things that people would consider are for kids.
So I know that the
You want to say I'm being weird. Yeah, y'all are out there walking in adult fucking onesies.
this is a good point.
Oh.
So it's just a transolution.
That building is coming at us.
Coming right for us. No, it's a boulder. The Rock. What's he doing here? Weird Al.
Now you take it.
That's
Now
what
you
it
take the
was.
xylophone.
The Megazord.
Oh, he didn't do it this time.
Right.
Grabs it with the wrong hand and then picks it up with the right.
Grabbed it by the blade.
Ah!
This is metal. So, question for you, Vince, and this for those of you watching, answer in the comments too if you know. Pretty sure you know. I know Joel and Lawayne would know. When did Gundam start? Was that 80s?
Maybe mid.
Totally like mid 80s or. 'Cause I want to say, I know it was in 90s is when it really hit its stride. Just because of the fan base. But I was thinking that.
Alright, the first Gundam series. First episode aired April 7th, 1979.
Damn. So that's where they did get the.
I was about to say, I think it was even the 70s, but
That's where they got the idea then.
yeah, because you can kind of tell that it is late 70s, early 80s by like the way the anime is.
Yeah.
I don't want to call it crude anime, but there was a way that the older anime looked that I just like a little bit better than the newer anime.
I do too. Like rewatching the DBZ on the thing.
Because he have a
Erection. No,
sir.
no. Zack has an 18-inch penis.
Zack. She's just like,
No, what Jason really said.
freaking Zack just lays it down right next to the table.
What Jason really said was, "I want you to still third with Billy Lee."
Do the monkey with me.
Why is he
Come
still
on.
wearing a jean fucking?
Why is he still wearing his mechanic onesie?
Why is there another Asian chick at the table?
Zack.
I remember trying that in gym class. Like when we had free day in gym,
You hear the
I would just try
fucking
doing that shit.
you hear the fucking and you know what happened. You got a 4-inch rug burn, didn't you? Baby.
No, I was on woodish floor, gymnasium floor, is what I will call it.
That's why it's the 8. Because you squeak on it with your bare skin. And you know.
When's that episode when Jason like spins that bow staff 18 million times? Because that one more episode.